What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a website domain in your sub account. So once you're in the sub account for your SaaS agency, you're just going to go down to settings, and then you're going to scroll down to domains. And then we are going to click add new domain. Right here, we're going to set up two different domains. The first one is going to be our root domain, which does not have www. And then we're going to set up our www domain. We want to do this because we want people to be able to search our website up. If they do www, awesome, they'll still find us. And if they don't do www, they'll find us as well. So that's why we set up two different types of domains for our website. So to set up our root domain, we're just going to type it in here in this box. Then once we have that typed in, we are going to copy this red text right here for the A record, which is our root domain. And then we're going to have to go into our DNS hosting in our website hosting service. I use GoDaddy. There's GoDaddy, Cloudflare, HostGator, Google, and a couple other website hosting services that you might have your website hosted through. But I'm going to go into my GoDaddy settings and create this A record here. So now that I'm over in GoDaddy, I'm just gonna find the DNS hosting for the site that I wanna set up. So I'm gonna scroll down to Renew Energy Corp, and I'm gonna go to the DNS settings, and then we are going to add that A record. The name for an A record is always gonna be the @ symbol. The value is gonna be those numbers that we copied earlier in GoHighLevel. And then we're going to do half an hour for the default, and then we're going to add that record, and that should show success. Awesome. And then we're going to jump back over into GoHighLevel, and we are going to click add, and it says everything went through and we are good to go. And now we're going to add our www domain. So www.renewenergycorp.com. And then for this one, it's going to be a CNAME record, and we are going to copy this red text down here, and then we're going to go back over to GoDaddy, and now we're going to add the CNAME record. And so we're going to add for type CNAME, name www. For the value, we're going to paste in what we copied from GoHighLevel, and then we are going to set it at half an hour and then hit add record. Success. Now we're just going to jump back into GoHighLevel and then hit add. Could take a couple tries before it successfully comes through. And then after a bunch of tries, it finally worked. So we're just going to hit cancel here. And now our root domain and our www domain are set up in our account. And now we can go into our sites tab and websites. We're going to go to create a new website here, and we're just going to name this website Renew Energy Corp, and then we're going to create the website. Now that this website's created, we haven't done anything on it yet, but we're just going to go to these settings so I can show you how to connect the domain to this website. And so the domain right here, since we just added those two domains, the www and then the root domain, we can now connect one of those domains to this website here. And so we're just going to select the root domain here, and then we can hit save. And then you'd go in and you'd build out your website. And when you hit add new page, we'd first go in and we'd name the page. We can just name this like home page. Nobody's going to see this part of it. But the path is what comes after your website. So it would be like renewenergycore.com/homepage, and that's what somebody will see up in the web browser up here when they're on your home page versus your pricing page or your info page. You can have all these different pages associated with a single website, and that's why you use paths here. So you would do /homepage, and then we would just hit create new page, and then we can go in and we can design our home page, and then we can add other pages in here, and we would just use different paths to create different pages within our website. In a later video in the course, we're going to show you how to use the website builder and all that, so don't worry. This video was just showing us how to set up our domain.